Echinacea, does it really boost your immune system? Well, in this video I'm going to tell you how Echinacea affects your body, if it really protects you from getting sick, and what the scientific research shows, so that by the end of this video you'll know whether you should be taking Echinacea to protect yourself from getting sick this winter. Hey there guys, I'm Jesse Crow, the Traveling Scientist, and after studying pharmacology for years, I'm here to help you live smarter, happier, and healthier lives. Now, Echinacea is a herb that's been used for thousands of years to boost our immune systems and protect us from getting sick. But how does it actually work? Well, it's believed that Echinacea stimulates certain chemicals in our body that suppress inflammation, thereby reducing the symptoms of infections. My question to you is, do you feel like you get sick all the time? Does your immune system just suck? If so, let us know in the comments section down below. Say something like sick, because, maybe we can fix that. When you're sick with the flu or a common cold, you get all puffy and sore around your nose and throat. That's inflammation, and it sucks. It's the worst part of getting sick. I mean, I freaking hate sore throats. I don't know about you, but it hurts to swallow, and I can't not swallow. That's what she said. Anyway, by taking Echinacea, you actually reduce that inflammation, meaning you'll feel less pain. And many studies have shown that taking Echinacea actually reduces the symptoms and the duration of an infection. So if you start to feel a sore throat or a blocked nose coming on, start taking Echinacea because it will really help you through that sickness. It'll make it go by less painful and more quickly. Hooray! Also note that Echinacea has only been proven to help with upper respiratory tract infections. So STIs and other infections, Echinacea is probably not doing anything, at least as far as we can prove. But it should be boosting your immune system, so, it can't hurt. But what about when you're not sick? Does taking Echinacea regularly bolster your immune system and protect you from future infection? Well, possibly, but all of the studies to date haven't been able to prove that taking Echinacea regularly can promote your immune system. I mean, it's definitely not going to make you more sick, but we just don't know that taking Echinacea every day is beneficial. Now, I'm not a doctor, but if I was, I'd recommend taking 300 to 500 milligrams of Echinacea about 3 times a day. That's doctor's orders. Nah, I'm just kidding. But the only way to get Echinacea is in a supplement form. You can't get it in your diet because it's a special herb that only grows in the mountains of North America. Wait, I'm in the mountains of North America. Give me 1 second.
2 hours later.
Okay, I went out into the mountains and I couldn't find any Echinacea. So if you're anything like me, the only way you're going to get this immune boosting herb is in supplement form. Now I have a pretty good immune system, but my friend Sally, Sick Sally, she's been using Echinacea, and here's what she had to say about it.
Hi there, I'm Sally. People call me Sick Sally because I get sick all the time. Colds, flus, you name it. I get it every single time. My immune system is terrible. I didn't know what to do, so I talked to my doctor and I decided to start taking Echinacea. It's a natural supplement that's been proven to boost the immune system, and since then I've been getting sick less and less. I'm not Sick Sally anymore. Now I'm Sexy Sally. So I'm gonna keep taking Echinacea, and I'm gonna be a new me.
If you want to try taking Echinacea, I did some research, and the best supplement that I could find is in the description just below. And if you use my link to purchase that supplement, I earn a little bit of money, which really helps me out. So thank you so much for that. And if you're really sick right now and you want to do something about it, I've got this awesome recipe for a drink that's guaranteed to make you feel better. You can also download that in the description just below. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button down below, and let me know what you do to help your immune system in the comment section down below. Finally, make sure you subscribe for more traveling science every single week. I'll see you guys next Science Sunday. Cheers. Well, it's believed that Echinacea activates certain chemicals in the body that really get the immune system excited and also suppress... That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.